Hello. Good morning. This is my morning ritual. I'm gonna drink coffee, and I'm working on a couple pieces of artwork for the website. Doing some pen and ink this morning, which is usually slow going. Unlike digital, I can't just hit the undo button 1,000 times, so it's all got to be done right the first time. Picture of Edit Station 1, holding a margarita. Nice, just classic Edit Station 1. I don't think I've done too many pen and ink drawings with him lately. And this is going to be a pen and ink with Jesus screaming when he sees Cosmic Death Brick, who I'm going to draw over there. And this is coffee. As you know, I always have coffee when I make my drawings. So, yeah. Nice relaxing morning. Just the way I like it. Drawing pictures of drunk computers and confused chickens. Here's round 2. I'm going to clean up the pencils in a moment. Still finish Cosmic Death Brick and almost done with this cup of coffee. Which means I'll need more, obviously. Then I'll sit on it for a little bit, revisit the pictures, see if there's anything I need to want to refine or change, clean up, and then take photographs. So that's what's involved. There's the Edit Station 1 drawing on my easel, getting ready for its trip to the website. So I'm gonna come over here, take a picture of it, a couple pictures of it, and we're gonna do a wider shot. Right. There's that picture. And I come in here and swap that out with the other one. Jesus and Cosmic Death Brick. Zoom it in so people can see the detail. And off it goes. To the website next. I know, it's hard to believe that anything could be this exciting, but this is the actual work that goes into this stuff. Times like this I could really use a third hand. There we go. I'm gonna copy the card to the computer, do a little bit of Photoshop. Ping is a verb. Photoshopping onto the on the photos and send them up to the site. Just gonna rotate it a little bit. Man, I could have actually just set the camera level, but you know, I didn't. We come down here, hit that button, and then we go up here, and there it is. That's how it's done. Click on everything, make sure it works. Here's the picture I just took. Looks good. All right. It's a great look on his face. And I love that his pinky's just hanging out. Like that's very Edit Station 1. That's exactly how he would do it.